I had severe gaps, spacing, crooked teeth, you name it, horrible teeth. I came to Estenove and they fixed me. Now I got these bad boys.
But by the way, your teeth are shining. I cannot.
Oh yeah?
Look at you.
Oh!
Are you excited or nervous?
Both. Both, to be completely honest, yeah. More excited though than nervous. I know you're gonna do a great job. That I'm not nervous about.
Your delivery looks great. You can get enough number.
Okay. Yeah, that's where my hairline was at one point. And then as far as the density, doctor, you're gonna give me the same density that I have currently, right? It's not gonna be
On the other cars?
yeah, where you're
Yeah.
like as dense as this?
Yes.
Okay.
We are gonna dance like this, your nature. Especially on the line and the temples, we are gonna use single grafts because of the natural result. Behind the line, we are gonna use multiples. For the natural result, we need smooth transformation, but we need a full thickness on the back. We are gonna match it with your existing hair. And also, as you can see, you have a thinning in this part.
Yeah.
So that we are gonna blend it with your nature existing hairs.
Okay.
If we implant just a line, it's gonna look unnatural.
Yeah.
Because of that, we are gonna give some irregularities on the beard for most natural result.
And it'll be as dense
Yes.
as this, right?
Something like that. Dense.
And it won't look like little doll hairs, right,
No.
doctor? Oh, don't give me doll hairs.
We are gonna implant your existing, as you can see, your existing beard angle is toward like that. We are gonna implant. We are gonna follow original.
Okay, let's do it. It's the needles that I'm really scared about, guys. I'll be honest with you. But everyone says, you know, it doesn't last forever. I think I could do it. I'm a big boy. I could do it. Yeah.